I don't know if I should be drinking because I'm a little under the weather, but honestly I kind of don't care because it's my birthday today, so I could do whatever the fuck I want. Yeah, I'm filming a video on my birthday, but who the fuck is that? I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my god, you're filming a video on your birthday, you should be turning up, you should be celebrating, you should be. I am gonna celebrate, bitch, but just because it's my birthday, I'm not gonna try and slow down on what I'm doing. If I have the time to film a video, I'm gonna film a video. And today I'm just gonna be at home with my family. That's all I really want for my birthday. I do like to go out to eat, to restaurants, and have a couple drinks, but for some reason today, well, this year for my birthday, I just want it to be very casual. I want to feel cozy, I want to feel warm, I want to be in a familiar place with the people that I love. That's all I care about. It's the little things, you know. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I got. So I don't know if you guys know, I work at Sephora, and being a Sephora employer, you get gratis, you get free makeup every few weeks. It feels like I'm getting PR. I'm not in anybody PR's list because, you know, bitch ain't popular yet. Working at Sephora and getting my gratis, it feels like I'm getting PR because I'm getting all of these products for free. They gave me products that I actually do use and that I really enjoy, and like products that I just always wanted, and I fucking got it, and I'm so happy. PR and gratis is kind of the same, but it's different. When you're in PR, you get every single thing that comes out. Sephora, we do get that, but it's not like every single product. We're limited, but it's still amazing because you get amazing products and you don't have to pay for it, you know, you save your money. And if you're a makeup artist, it's amazing to build your makeup kit as well. The first thing I pull out is the Soft Glam palette. I'm sorry, it looks a little crazy, it's so dirty, but I am super obsessed with this palette. The Soft Glam palette is very versatile. You can do a neutral look, you can do something with a little more definition, you can do a smoky look, which is amazing. I feel like this is beginner friendly because the shadows blend so freaking easily. So not all of these things are from Sephora. Some of these things are from the beauty supply and just shit that I like really love. I have been obsessing over these and I got so many. I'm obsessed with the beauty supply lashes. They really amped up the game when it comes to their lashes. These are dupes. I feel like these are just dupes for, you know, those beautiful expensive mink lashes like Lily lashes, velour lashes. Obviously it's not the same quality, but just the way that they look. I have a pair on now. I have these on. They're like $3, like $3-4, but they look like this. God damn. They're the mist lashes. Just so pretty. Like, look at these. I've been so obsessed with Milk makeup ever since I discovered it and just really played around with the products on my clients at work. And I love the fact that they're fucking vegan. Like, I love that shit. There's no harsh chemicals. It's great for your skin, and it just, everything that they have, it just gives you a natural feel. It's like a high-end version of Glossier. I never tried Glossier before, but I feel like it's a little more intense and more like bougie from Glossier. But Milk is very affordable, I feel like. I got the Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. I can't wait to fucking try this. I got in the Translucent Deep. When you open it, you get like a little sponge. So freaking cute. I got the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. Yo, I've been dying to fucking try this shit. It looks so beautiful on the skin. It's full coverage, but it gives you such a flawless blurred finish, because I noticed that a lot of their products, they are blurring. This is blurring. The setting spray is blurring. The primer is blurring. I got it in the Golden Deep. Hopefully this is my shade. Milk came out with the Kush Fiber Brow. It's brand new. I really love it. I instantly wanted it because of the Kush mascara. So if this can perform just like the Kush mascara, hell yeah, I'm gonna fucking buy it. but they gave it to me and they gave me the exact color. They gave me Dutch. If you already have like decent brows, you can use this on its own. I need a little extra because the little chinitas fucked up my brows when I was younger, and it's just permanently scarred and I can't do shit about it. It comes with the, you know, little tiny brush, kind of like the Benefit one, but it's so good because this one actually has fibers in it and it's just gonna help volumize your brows. Next, I can show you a couple of setting sprays that I've really been loving. This is a Lancome Fix It Forget It. I know you've seen it in my videos. If you haven't, I'll put the link somewhere on the screen. It is up to 24 hours makeup setting mist with plant extracts to flex and protect. What they mean by that is it protects you from the pollution that you know the air carries. I live in New York and it's fucking disgusting out here, so this is like a barrier so that none of the bacteria and pollution can get inside of your pores. The Cover FX high performance setting spray, this shit is amazing. Thank you, Jen. I love when the brand reps comes in and they train you. I build such a bond with them, and I love when they do little things like that. I feel like right now this is one of the best setting sprays. I love this brand because it's parabens free, fragrance free. It's amazing for sensitive skin. Anyone can use it. It just sets the skin so beautiful. You really need to try this. It's only like $32 or $31. I know other setting sprays are like 40. It's from the Beauty Supply. It's a Style Factor Edge Booster. It's a pomade. Looks like that. This is the packaging. It's just like that. I love this stuff. I found out about this because my hairdresser used it on me and my hair was so freaking laid and flat. My edges, it doesn't feel like it's damaging my hair because it's like, I don't know, it's very moisturizing. It doesn't feel like very tacky and gel like. I really do like this, and it smells so good. It smells so freaking good. It smells like melons, like watermelon. Next up is my motherfucking baby right here. This is the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This is my fucking baby. Everyone should go and buy this. If you don't have the money, go and try a damn sample of it. This is one of the best moisturizers that I have ever tried in my life. My skin has never looked so good. It never looked so bright, so healthy, so glowy. I fucking love it. It has a pretty bougie price. This is the biggest size. It's all plant-based, so it's very natural. It smells very fresh and clean. It's the perfect texture. It's perfect for all skin types. If you're oily, if your combination is gonna help balance that. If you're dry, it's gonna help balance that. You know, it just works. It really works. My mom loves it, my aunt loves it. I put them onto it and they're freaking obsessed. They're freaking obsessed, and so am I. This is a cute, so freaking adorable. This is from It Cosmetics. It's the CC Plus Skin Perfecting number 702. This brush, it works miracles. It's crazy. This is the first time that I ever heard about this. This is a brush that has collagen or some type of, you know, skincare ingredient that is infused into the brush. You have 200 uses of it before, you know, the collagen goes away. But the way that this applies your foundation so fast, blends it so easy. The only thing that kind of bothers me is that I love that it's white, but it gets dirty. I don't know if it's just me, or I don't know, but this fucking primer, I'm probably really fucking late. I know everybody loves this shit, so old school, but it's the YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer. I put this on yesterday and my foundation, my powder went on so smooth. I looked so fucking flawless. I used it today too, and my skin looks amazing. Like, it's very soft, blurred, just like, you know, the whole Milk makeup effect. It has like little golden flakes in it. I wish I can freaking show you, but it's just not focusing right now. Next up are the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. These are one of the best one of the fucking best concealers out there. I have a lot of problems with creases under my eyes and on my smile lines, and no concealer was able to help me. The only one that worked for me was the MAC Pro Longwear, but I finally found one that actually works for me. It doesn't crease on me, it feels great on the skin, and I can retouch throughout the day with these products and your makeup will not crumble. This is what I really freaking love about these concealers. It's hydrating, it's a full coverage, it makes everything look very flawless. I got a highlight and contour color. I got maple and cocoa. So I gotta hurry the fuck up because everybody's here and I'm so freaking happy to see them. I bet y'all could hear them in the back. My nephew freaking screaming. Let me finish so I can go enjoy my birthday. Something that I almost really started crying when I saw these products that I got, because this was the first high-end skincare brand that I ever tried and then I just fell in love with. It works with my problematic areas on my skin. My cousin Randy, he put me onto this shit and I believed him because his skin is amazing, it's flawless, he's glowing, and I always used to have like little hormonal spots or just congestion, pimples here and there, even cystic acne. Oh my god, I'm naked. These are all cute products. I got the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. This is a must-have if you're a makeup artist or you just love to wear makeup, or just if you don't, or if your skin is sensitive and you don't really want to use any harsh soaps. It's a great makeup remover and it's an amazing cleanser. You don't need a actual cleanser after it, like a, you know, like a soapy sudsy cleanser, but this one is oil, so all you need is water to remove it and your skin is completely clean. Next, I got the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I never tried this. I'm so excited to try this out. And the product that I am so excited about, that I just always freaking wanted, is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is one of the best selling serums out there, night serums out there. You put this on and you wake up looking 15. Like, I love this product and I'm so freaking grateful that Sephora, that Kiehl's gave me this product. Oh my god, I just don't know. Thank you. I just appreciate it so much. I really do. Thank you so much. I got a few more serums to show you. This, I also got this in a Points Perk. This is the Algenist Liquid Collagen. If you have problems with creasing or with smile lines, this will help plump the skin and it'll minimize that look. It'll minimize your fine lines and wrinkles because it is a plumping serum and it helps to bring back your collagen. Also, with the Beauty Shroom Plumping Gelling Serum, is also something similar, just from a different brand, but I really do love this one. The consistency is a very gel-like, but it feels so good on the skin. My makeup, I'm using this now and my makeup is looking amazing. My absolute favorite lip mask, chapstick at the moment. I don't think I can ever use any chapstick ever again. I was a huge fan of Carmex and all that, but yo, this by Beauty Agave lip mask, this shit is fucking everything, especially the color in maple. Yo, you can put this on at night, you can use it as a chapstick, you can use it as, you know, a base underneath your lipstick so that your lips can stay hydrated throughout the day. But it's fucking amazing, it smells so good and it tastes good too. I got this baby also, the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. It's so easy to use. It comes with a very teeny tiny, goddamn, I should don't want to focus. It has a very sharp felt brush, but it is very spongy and soft, so it's very flexible and you can create that beautiful wing. I use that to create my wing today. I feel like this is also beginner friendly because the liner just glides. It's very easy to apply. You got this. Now the last two items is NARS. I am obsessed with this NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. I am freaking obsessed. It's a beautiful like pinky tone. It's just like the blush, and it's just, I have it on, whatever, why am I just doing that? I have it on right now and it just gives that soft wet look. I fucking love it so much. I feel so fucking beautiful with this highlight. It's just everything. Next, oh my god, I heard this shit is so hyped and I don't want to try it yet because I need to finish other mascaras, and I am so excited to use this. This is the NARS Climax mascara. Look at how fucking unique and beautiful this mascara is. Maybe I'll do a first impressions. Let me know if you want to. That is everything in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go and have motherfucking fun with my family. I'm gonna change because this was just for the video and for my birthday pictures that I took earlier this morning. So if you guys want to check those out, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it somewhere over here, I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. I miss you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.